Are you trying to decide between James Hardie and LP SmartSide siding for your home? These top brands offer different benefits, so make sure you stay tuned for an in-depth comparison that will help you make the best choice for your home. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. When comparing James Hardie siding to LP SmartSide, you're looking at two premium options that excel in very different areas. Well, today we're going to dive into a head-to-head comparison to help you decide which siding is best for your home. We're going to cover the lifespan, resistance to rot, impact resistance, warranty, price, ease of installation, and if you believe it or not, more. And if you want more detailed information than what I'm going to give you, make sure you check out the article linked above. First, let's understand the materials. James Hardie is a fiber cement product made from a blend of Portland cement, sand, and cellulose fibers, providing exceptional durability. LP SmartSide, on the other hand, is an engineered wood product made from wood strands bonded with resins and treated with a zinc borate for enhanced resistance to moisture and pests. James Hardie siding boasts a lifespan of 40 to 50 years backed by a robust 30-year non-prorated warranty. LP SmartSide offers a lifespan of 20 to 30 years with a 50-year limited warranty that becomes prorated after the first 5 years. If longevity is your priority, James Hardie has the edge. James Hardie excels in resisting extreme weather, moisture, and pests like termites, thanks to its fiber cement composition. LP SmartSide is also resistant to moisture, pests, and fungal decay due to its SmartGuard zinc borate treatment. Both are excellent choices, but James Hardie's fiber cement offers superior durability in harsh conditions. James Hardie, while durable, is more brittle and can crack or chip under heavy impact. LP SmartSide shines in impact resistance thanks to its high-density fiber and resin blend, making it ideal for hail-prone areas. If you live in an area with frequent hailstorms, LP SmartSide might be the better choice. James Hardie siding requires periodic maintenance, including cleaning and repainting every 10 to 15 years. LP SmartSide needs regular cleaning and may require repainting every 5 to 10 years, depending on exposure and paint quality. Both sidings need care, but James Hardie offers longer intervals between maintenance. James Hardie, being heavier and more rigid, requires specialized tools and experienced contractors. LP SmartSide is designed for easier installation, being lighter and more flexible. It can be cut with standard woodworking tools, reducing labor costs. If ease and cost of installation are key factors, LP SmartSide has the advantage. James Hardie siding generally has a higher upfront cost due to its material and manufacturing process, but it offers potential long-term savings due to its durability. LP SmartSide is more affordable initially, but may incur higher maintenance and repainting costs over time. Consider your budget and long-term plans when choosing between the two. James Hardie offers a 30-year non-prorated warranty on siding and a 15-year warranty on trim, with their Color Plus technology having a 15-year limited warranty. LP SmartSide provides a 50-year limited warranty with 100% labor and replacement costs covered for the first 5 years, and prorated coverage thereafter. Both warranties are transferable, adding value if you sell your home. Both brands offer extensive customization options. James Hardie provides a wide range of styles and textures, including lap siding, shingle siding, and vertical panels. LP SmartSide also offers diverse styles such as traditional lap, panel siding, and shakes, with various textures mimicking natural wood. Your choice all comes down to the aesthetic you prefer for your home. Choosing the right siding is crucial for your home's look and durability. For more personalized advice, make sure to reach out to us at southwestexteriors.com. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.